We are in the Asian holiday spirit, and when I say that, I mean dynasty. Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today is Christmas Day and I'm about to unwrap some gifts with my brother. We both got each other K-pop albums because we have a growing collection. My cats have some aversion towards these bows, or they like to play with them because they're all over the house. Alright, we're about to do our gift exchange. I have 4 things and he has 3 things, and I guess you can go first.
I'm guessing this is a BTS one. I'm not sure, but we'll see. It's TXT and Subin. I see green, so I think I know. Christmas Evil, and there's a Bang Chan and something else. And a Hyunjin. A Mac Mini? No. You got me a Mac Mini. It's the case version. Stray Kids? Ooh, aespa. Here's aespa. Stray Kids. Yay, thank you. Alright, now it's your turn.
Oh my god, it's Wheein's album. I've been wanting this for so long. I love this album so much.
But you'll love this one even more.
I literally have no idea what this can be. What is this? The Formula of Love. Because I'm such a big, huge Twice fan. Yes, thank you so much. Oh wow. These are my girls. This is literally a gift for you. But thank you. Okay, we're gonna do a K-pop unboxing, and we're gonna start off with aespa's case version. So it comes with a little photo book, and oh, I see the photo card. There's 2.
Alright.
Can you guess who it is?
Winter and Ning Ning.
2 winters.
2 winters?
2 winters.
Oh. Dude, I'm always getting big Huening Kais. Oh, I see them. Another Huening Kai.
There's stickers. So we're gonna unpackage Wheein's Red album. This one's a really big one. I didn't expect it to be this big. Well, I guess. Okay. So it comes with a bookmark, a bunch of stickers. Wow. It's a photo card that has all her albums. So there's the easy one. There's Red.
And Goodbye.
Yeah. A photo book. And who are we gonna get? Whein.
We had the most Whein photo cards. Our very first Christmas album.
Wow, this is huge.
Well, see, I like how this is packaged. Okay. Oh. Changbin and Hyunjin. Shiny Hyunjin. Shiny Hyunjin.
There's something else.
And then I think there's a postcard or
It's like a Christmas postcard.
Christmas card with them.
I like that.
And then stickers. More stickers.
All right. I think that this is a poster, like a mini poster.
Oh. All right, Julian's favorite album.
Oh, it's like a interesting.
Oh, it's vertical. Okay. Oh, okay. Mina, a big Mina photo card that's like a little tab because it's scientist themed. Chewy's student ID. Interesting. Whose student ID we have?
Damn, this is big.
Two of her student IDs.
What?
A Nyan. And then there's like more. Oh, hello. What the? Double Chaeyoungs? Does anyone want an extra Chaeyoung? They gave me double Chaeyoung. No, 3 Chaeyoungs.
What? For real? Wait, is that what it usually does? Or
a Dahyun and a Junghyun.
if you would like to trade, we have a Chaeyoung and we are looking for a Momo. No hate, no hate. We just got 2 of the same ones, so you know what I'm saying? We are in the Asian holiday spirit, and when I say that, I mean Dynasty. Alright, before I make Christmas dinner, I'm going to actually attempt this TikTok that my friend sent me. It's of Stray Kids Christmas Evil, and I think it's pretty easy. I've actually haven't really made a TikTok unless my friend told me to, so this is like my first time actually doing it on my own. So wish me luck. What the fuck happened to this lemon? I think this lemon, she dead. Ah! I don't know how to cut a lobster, so I'm just kind of guessing. I just know you go this way. Did I get it? Grandpa said yes. What? Why is it pink? I thought that the meat was like gray. I'm so confused. I thought that lobsters and like shrimp weren't like pink already. Ah! Okay, third's a charm. I think I'm getting better at this. Why is this green shit coming out of it?
Oh no, it might be the eggs.
Eggs? Alright, to complete our meal, we are going to pour some drinks. We have Stella Rosa pineapple, and what do we have here?
Tropicana apple juice.
3, 2, 1. Honestly, I don't know how to cook beef that well, like in general, not just steak, so I think my beef is only okay, but Now, I'm gonna try the lobster. It's pretty good. Pretty buttery. Alright, we're going to eat the tiramisu cake. This is from
chocolate mousse.
What?
It's not tiramisu. Chocolate mousse.
I thought this whole time it was tiramisu.
Chocolate mousse.
So we're gonna have the chocolate mousse from Costco. Oh yep, she's chocolatey.
Look
at her up.
Sue, you like her sweater? Bijou, chin up.
Okay.
Can you see their shirts?
No. Or maybe I'll just take portrait and then put her close to me.
Oh.
Okay, let's just let Misha go. I'll do it.
I got a few.